The Kundalini, it's amazing that every time I do it, it's a sort of a little different experience, and you don't expect that sometimes. I always sometimes feel it's just going to be reliving what you're going to do, and it's just, your mind is taking you in different places, and I guess it's wherever you are at that moment. So for me, it was just fantastic.
Actually, it's interesting because it's so very different from other types of yoga, and unless you have tried it, you can't appreciate it. And it's exhilarating, and it's joyful, and it's wonderful, and it's really opening your heart.
The Kundalini practice was amazing as always. Many feelings come out. You don't understand how intense it can be until you're actually in the class and there's a dynamic of the group. You know, when I was at the place and there was the Kundalini class, at the end of the week I actually started, seeing things brighter and with better colors.
I went to the retreat, was it 4 years ago now, and a lot has changed. I've seen a lot of changes there, and it's just a great experience now to be able to come sort of here. It feels like a bit of a full circle of seeing people here that were there at the time, and seeing how things have evolved in what Jean-Claude has been able to do to sort of really build something up here, and I can see him reaching where he wants to go, and it's obviously a natural progress where you think things evolve, and I see how he's putting it all together, and it's really coming together in the perfect way. And it's, for me, being able to sort of take part here and there when the opportunity arises is phenomenal. I'm really blessed to be in that situation.
I had never had a gong bath before. I thought it was, very interesting. There's this amazing energy when there are many people in the room and something so powerful happening. I think it's a very nice way of kind of balancing everything that has happened before in the Kundalini class and in the also heart meditation, because that's quite intense, and then you have the gong bath to kind of balance you out and help you relax.